Guys, we're working on a 2018 Toyota Camry SE, and we're going to be doing the door courtesy lights, okay? So as you can see, we already popped this one out. It's actually pretty simple. It'll go in here. It's held in by a clip, as you can see right here. So this goes in and it locks in place. So the way you want to get it out is you want to get a flat head or something, or a trim remover tool, a plastic one, so you don't damage this, and then just put it through this side so you can pretty much push. Let me actually remove this real quick and show you because it's too bright. Alright, so once it's in here, let's put that in there. So you want to push this in through over here. Use your trim remover or flathead and just push it inwards. You want to make sure it goes that way and then pop it out, okay? And simple as that. Make sure you don't pull it too hard because you are going to be connected to the harness, which is in here. Okay. So to remove this, just press on the clip, push this, and it pops out, okay? So at this point, once you get this out, your bulb will go in there, okay? You kind of see it right there. Okay, so same thing, it's just clipped on. Just press these in and it should just come out. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so the way this works is you're gonna push it this way out. So if you're holding it the way I am, you want to push it that way, okay? And it'll just come off. It's pretty much just held on by these little grooves on it, like little hook styles. They lock onto here. So it just slides off. So just make sure if you have it like this as well, you can just push it upwards and it'll pretty much just pop out, okay? So at this point you can see the bulb right there, and the same thing, just slide it out and put it in your new bulb or take out your old bulb and you're good to go. If it's too difficult for you, this is a 3-piece. So there's another clip right here, see? So this whole long piece can come off. Okay, so let me remove that so I can show you as well. Or actually, let's see, I got it. There you go. So it just pops out as you saw. It's just simple as that. It just slides out of there. Replace your bulb, put it in, then put it back in again. It has guides, so you just line it up correctly. Okay, so at this point it's back in place. Reassemble it and put everything back together, and that pretty much completes the installation. So let me put this all back together, and just like that, once you put everything back together, it's good to go. So you're gonna do the same thing for the passenger side, and pretty much that completes the whole installation. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.